Hey guys, welcome to Seesaw Genie. This is the first video of our course where we create a teacher account in Seesaw. You will have to go to app.seesaw.me to create your account. Choose I'm a teacher. You can sign in if you already have an account, or you can create an account. It's very easy to sign up as a teacher, and actually there is a second variant to sign up if you have a Google account. I will sign in because I already have my account, and we are inside. You can see that I already have my class. Kindergarten, this is a test classroom, but I will show you how to create a new class so that you will do everything from scratch. So we go here, choose create new class, and you name it. Let it be first grade. You can choose your grade level. If you have kids of different grade levels in your class, you can choose it. You can choose other if you have co-teachers. One very cool feature is that if you already have a Google Classroom and have a class set up there, you can import this class from Google Classroom. For now, let's just choose the grade level first. And here we are in our new class.